Okay, now we move on to the quadratic inequalities using sign graph. Sign graph or number line. So example, let's say we have x squared plus 3x minus 10 larger than 0. So what is the factors for this one? X plus 5 and x minus
2.
2 larger than 0. So larger than 0, we have two conditions, remember? So either both are positive or both are negative. Okay, then we use a number line. Where's the number line? Sorry. Okay, then we use the number line. So now we have two factors. The first one, x minus 2 and x plus 5. Okay, so when x equals to 2, this is 0. Okay, so this side will be positive lah, all positive. So this side will be all negative. So when x equals to negative 5, so this is 0 and this side will be all positive. And this side will be all negative. Okay, now, as we mentioned earlier, so we want to take positive, positive, and negative, negative, right? So where is the region? So this is the region. Okay, the first one and this one. Okay, positive, positive, and negative, negative. Okay, any questions? Any questions? So what is the answer? What is the answer? The answer is
Negative
x
5.
is
Between negative
from
5.
2 to infinity, right? Or another side is negative 5 to infinity. So it's either negative infinity, negative 5, or 2 and infinity. So this is the answer. So this is by using sign graph. Any questions? Any questions? If no questions, can I move to the next example?
No, doctor, no question.
Okay. So we look at the second example. Also using, now we are using sign graph. Okay, second example. Two x squared plus okay, look for the factors. So 2x. So what is the factors for this?
minus 1, 2x minus 1
minus 1 and plus
plus 3.
plus 3. Okay, then we use the number line. Okay, we use the number line. So the first one could be x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. So when x equals to negative 3, so this is 0 here. So over here is a positive. Right? Over here is negative. So when x equals to half, let's say the half is here. So it could be 0. So over here is all positive. Over here is all negative. Okay, now it is smaller or equals to 0. So where is the region? The region is between. We only have three region, right? The first part. Okay, let's say A, B, and C. So which area we should take? Which area we should take?
B.
B.
B. Okay, why B? Because it is smaller or equals to 0 and must be always negative. Okay, because positive and negative become negative, so we must take the negative part. So what is the answer?
X between negative 3 and half.
So it is between, let's say I use a blue color, negative 3 and a half. So the answer is between this area. So it is a closed interval, so it's a negative 3 and 1/2. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is using sine graph. So can you get the answer? Can we move on to the third method?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
The third method is using test point. This is a more analytic lah. Using test point is easier, but there's a there's a there's a risk in using this method. Okay, let's say we have a quadratic inequalities. X squared minus 4x minus 6 larger than 0. So what is the factors for this? Right? So x equals to negative 4 over So it is equals to 2 plus or minus negative 10. So this is between what is the number here? Negative 1.2 and 5.2, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So okay, the next step, the next step, we draw the table. We draw a table, and so we use a 3 test point. Okay, now, okay, now we have a 3 region, right? The first one is 1.2, negative 1.2, and 5.2. So basically, we have 3 point here, lah. We must take 3 point. 3 point, This method is faster, but faster means more risk, lah. More risk, you can make mistake. So the first point is here, negative 2. I just simply take 1 point, because basically we have 3 regions, A, B, and C. So for this one, maybe I can take 0. This one I can take 7. Okay, so when the test point is negative 2, when the test point is 0, and when the test point is 7. So when the test point is negative 2, what is the answer? What is the answer? We substitute negative 2 into the quadratic equations.
Duduk Rusia aja, okay? Cakap nak pernah kerja.
So this is equals to what?
Hmm.
Equals to 4 plus 8, 12 minus 6 is 6 when? Right?
Yes. Bottom 6.
So the second one, so this is 0. Okay, minus 6. So this is negative 6. The third one, 7 square minus 4, 7 minus 6. This is equals to 49.
15.
15,
Yeah.
15,
Yes.
Okay, so now it is, let's say the fx is larger than 0. So you must take which one? We have the condition here is this is positive, negative, and this is positive, right?
Negative
So
2 and
which value we should take? Which point we should use?
Negative 2 and 7.
Yes, these 2 points, Okay, so we should take these 2 points, this one and this one. So what is the answer? What is the final answer? Negative 1.2 . negative 1.2 here, and another side is what? 5.2. 5.2 is somewhere here. Okay, dapat.
Dapat po.
So this is the final answer. So this is the method by using test point.